It's math time with Miss Crane. Today we're going to be talking about weight. Weight. What is weight? Let's talk about weight. What is weight? Weight is a measuring word. We weigh things to find out how heavy they are. Why do we need to measure weight? Doctors check the weight of babies to make sure they are growing properly. We weigh ingredients when we cook. Only a small quantity of flour is needed to make a cake. We weigh small quantities in grams or ounces. The flour is being weighed before it is sent to the bakery. Large quantities of flour are needed to make all the bread sold in our supermarkets. Large quantities are weighed in kilograms or pounds. Everything weighs something. Even very light things like letters or postcards. There are lots of letters and postcards in these mail bags. Why are the bags so heavy? Sometimes we can guess the weight of things. Which do you think is lighter, the feather or the stone? Yeah, probably the feather, right? How would you make sure that you have guessed correctly? Could we put the feather and the stone on a balance? Yes, we could. Well, we know when we put things on a balance, what happens? The thing that is the heaviest goes down. Guessing that one thing is heavier than another is not always easy. How will you find out for sure which pile of tea is heavier? Ooh, 2 piles of tea. You could put a stone in one pan of this scale. Which is heavier, the stone or the tea bags? Or the tea? How do we know? Well, let's find out. Miss Crane has a balance here. And we are going to see what is heavier. I have an empty Easter egg and a balloon. Which one is heavier, the balloon or the Easter egg? You're right, the Easter egg is heavier. So let's take it out and let's see which is heavier. A Reese's peanut butter egg or a Hershey's chocolate bar? If you guessed the Hershey's bar, you guessed correct. The Hershey bar is heavier than the Reese's egg. Let's do another one. Let's do a spoon and sunglasses. Which one is heavier? Right, your prediction is right. The spoon is heavier. Well, what if I wanted to see, okay, I have sunglasses in here. How many quarters would it take to be the same as the sunglasses? Help me count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh my goodness. The sunglasses weigh the same as 3 quarters. Ooh, all right. Let's see what else we can measure. Let me take the quarters out for us. Let's see what would be heavier. A balloon. Oh, it's trying to escape. The balloon with air or a balloon with no air? Oh, they're the same. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it is air or not. Let's see. What about a balloon in 1 quarter? Which one do you think is going to be heavier? The balloon is bigger than the quarter, right? But which one is heavier? Let's see. Which one's heavier? If you guess the quarter, you're right. So think about things that might be heavier or lighter than you in your house. What about a book? Would a book be heavier or lighter than you? You're right, a book would probably be lighter. What about a stove? Would a stove be heavier or lighter? You're right, the stove is heavier than you. What about your refrigerator? Heavier or lighter? Refrigerator is heavier. What about a cup of cereal? Would it be heavier or lighter? Cup of cereal will be lighter. You're right. All right, now real quick, I'm going to show you how to make your own balance. How many of you would like to make your own balance? Okay, so I'm going to take Christmas Crane's favorite soda. Here's a can. And then I have a box of spaghetti that's not been opened. And I'm going to make myself a little balance here. Like this. You could use a board, you could use a box, you can use whatever you have. Doesn't really matter. But then you can set things on the ends, kind of like my balance. And set them on there. You might have to have somebody help you there. And you can see what's going to be heavier and lighter by putting them on the ends of your balance. Look around your house. Look at things that are heavier than you and lighter than you. This is a space on your math choice board, so check out your math choice board and make a list of things that are heavier than you and lighter than you. See you next time.